Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and I have a couple of items here. And this item is actually, it has been in my wish list for such a long time, and I finally decided to add this in my collection before the Louis Vuitton, before another price increase. So anyway, let me start with this book right here. As I have mentioned in my previous videos, that I am collecting the Louis Vuitton travel book, and here's another one. And I got the one. Okay, let me just open it for you. Oh, this is the product code R08345, and it is a travel book Mexico right here, and it is from the artist named Nicolas de Courcy. I think he's a French guy, I think. So this is the Mexico travel book, and this is how it looks. Okay, wow, I love those vibrant color. And let me just show you a little bit of what's inside. So pretty much a quick peek on this travel book right here. So if you're interested on this Mexico travel book, here are some of the images. Okay, so what is that one? I wonder what that is. Okay, the next item, like I've mentioned, this item has been on my wish list for such a long time, and I don't know, I wasn't really sure from the beginning when I saw this at the store because of the quality of it. I was questioning in the beginning of the quality of this particular leather, not the purse but the craftsmanship itself. So anyway, and okay, let me just show you the purse first. Okay, I have it covered in the dust bag. Let me just put aside the bag. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Wow. Okay, here it comes. Wow. Wow, she is stunningly beautiful. This is an Alma BB in an Empreinte leather. Wow. So I picked this up. The thing is that when I went to the store a week ago and I picked this up, so I checked. I always ask for if they have other ones. I always wanted to have something to compare it with. So since this is the only one that they have at this store, I decided, okay, let me check. And I have actually, this is the second one. This is actually a replacement of my previous purchases. That's because the previous one that I've gotten, there is an issue with the strap, the glazing issue, as well as the monogram, the debossing for the monogram. It isn't really that deep enough, and also there is something wrong with, I don't know if it is just me or I'm being just picky, but because I love Empreinte leather and I pretty much know, the leather itself, the Empreinte leather itself, and it seems like the debossing, it's not precise though with the logos, the monogram logo. It is not precise, but I will be doing a separate video on that about the quality issues. But this one, I got this one as a replacement already from a few days ago that I have picked this one up. And so far, the quality, I don't know, guys. Maybe I'm just being picky, you know? I mean, it is what it is. That's the problem if you know the leather. That's the problem if you have been collecting purses for so many years. And I have known the brand for longer than maybe 15 years. So it's like a matter of knowing. You already know what to look for when purchasing a bag. You already know, you have already set a criteria. If this bag is it, if everything is in the right places, or if there's any issues with the glazing, you already know what to look before purchasing an item. So with this one, this is made up of, once again, it's made up of Empreinte leather. Beautiful. I love the Empreinte leather. I think I chose, if I were to choose between the Turillion leather and Empreinte, I would choose the Empreinte. Because I have an Empreinte leather, especially with the wallet, which I use it all the time. And wow, and when it comes to wear and tear, they last for such a long time. Even after 10 years, the debossing was still beautiful from constant rubbing, touching, and everything with the Empreinte leather. And also, I love the structure of the leather. So anyway, this is how it looks right here. I guess you guys are all familiar with this beautiful iconic bag, Alma. And I guess everybody, if you are a Louis Vuitton lover, I think everybody, they have this in their collection. Everybody has this in their collection, I mean. So this one, there is a little bit of changes that they make. The bottom part right here, it is not rounded. However, this one is folded. So the bottom part were actually folded. So I have been wanting to add this in my collection a year ago, but for some reason, what is holding me on adding this, it's because of the fold right here on the side. I'm not sure if how this fold on the side would hold up in a long time, in a long-term use. I'm not really sure. So I have spoke to the leather expert from Louis Vuitton, which I have known. She's been working there for so many years. Probably I've known her for more than 10 years, and I'm so happy that she still works there. She's very knowledgeable about leather and everything. So if I have question regarding the leather, I always ask her when I get a chance to visit their atelier. And she said that one is actually perfectly fine. It was designed beautifully. So when I asked her about the fold, she said that she grabbed her work purse, and she said, look at our purse right here, our crossbody or shoulder bag purse. The side corner is actually folded, and I have this for so many years since she probably started working, and I could tell that the bag has aged, but it's still, the side corner is still beautiful. So I said, okay, so that's another reason why I have purchased this, because of the way she explained it to me, that after so many years, the side corner, she didn't see any issues with that. But then again, that one was crafted many years ago, and this is crafted maybe last year or this year. I'm not 100% sure. There's no way for us to tell. That's because they have removed the date code. And I know that the quality has been questionable, because this bag, this Empreinte right here, it is on the flimsy side. So it's really, really soft and supple. So the bottom part has a little bit of structure, but the side is very soft and supple. So probably when I was thinking of adding the years ago, probably what's holding me on getting this purse, and I have been questioning, why is it that the debossing weren't really deep enough, that's probably because of the leather is a little bit on a thinner side. You know, that's probably the reason why the debossing isn't really deep enough. I mean, look at this one. Let's take a look at the interior. It's so beautiful with this, wow, the mustard color. It's absolutely beautiful. That's another thing that I love about this purse. This one is actually lined with this microfiber cloth with the leather. I think, I mean, with the leather, with the fabric inside and the leather, I think the fabric helps the leather to, you know, helps the structure of the leather helps retain the structure of the leather. But then again, when you touch it, it is very soft, it is flimsy, but that doesn't really bother me at all. That's the nature of the leather. So anyway, when you open the bag, it opens wide. That's a plus for me. So yeah, this is how it looks. We have the strap right here, and the strap is actually, unfortunately, if you use it as a crossbody, it is short right here. So it's made up of an empreinte leather as well, and it has a shiny gold hardware. The interior is absolutely beautiful. And also another thing that surprises me, I mean, this is the lock, is that the interior is so beautiful, but I don't even know why I am seeing those rivets. I mean, this one is the feet, beautiful, four lovely feet right here, and I don't even know why they did not cover the feet on the inside. I don't know why. I didn't like that look though. So yeah, I don't know. And you could also see the stitching right here, the X mark stitching from the outside and then the inside. Not too crazy about that. And then I got the one that's made in France. This one has a long side pocket right here. Okay, and on the other side there's nothing. And here's the product information. They gave me a lot of these. So this one is priced as $2,500 US. That's before tax. And this is the Neo Alma BB Monogram Empreinte Noir. So it's M44829 right here. And this is $2,500 US before tax. So with the tax, it still fall under $3,000. And is it worth it? I don't know. I haven't really used it. I just couldn't really draw my conclusion saying that it is worth it because I haven't really used the bag. But with the money that I paid for, with its craftsmanship, I'm not 100% sure, but I know there is some sort of, if there is a way that I could have some of this one, I could have this one change to go back to the real round one on the side, not the folded one. And also the interior should have been a little bit done cleaner. You know, I'm not really sure about the rivets inside. Well, to some other people might be okay, but for me it's not. I didn't really like it so much. But anyway, I will be putting an organizer on this. That's because right here, so as you guys can see right here, it's really soft. See, you could squeeze this purse just like that. So really soft and supple. Okay, so this is also the turn handle right there. I mean, I don't know guys, I just really find this very attractive because it has like a perfect amount of gold hardware right here against the black. They always complements perfectly right here. And also with the Alma, I tried to put this one right. I mean, look at this one right here in the corner. It seems like it's curling up right here. So another thing that I wasn't really too crazy about, it's this one should, I don't know, it seems like this one, where actually if you put it on the table, it actually, this, the folded part right here, this one actually lay right, this one is touching the surface. If you lay this one at the table, this, it's instead of this feet right here, the rivets would touch the surface. It does seem to look like this part right here, which is a little bit of like curling. See right there? You know what I mean? So this one's like curling up. Instead, this one should actually, you know, this one should protect the leather. That is the main purpose of the feet, I think. But for some reason, this part right here, it's like curling up. So when you lay this on the table, the first thing you've noticed is this one touching the surface. So I wasn't really very sure about about the placement of the feet, though. I'm not really sure. I mean, the placement are perfect, but the use, what I meant is the function of it. It's not quite there. But regardless, I think she's so pretty. She's so beautiful. She's so supple. And this one is a clochette that has a key in it. They actually put the key inside. Wow. I really, really love the gold and the black color in it. And also right here in front, it also has this Louis Vuitton Paris. I mean, if I put this one on the side, you could read it. But because I have my ring light, you could literally could read it. But without the ring light, I don't think so. You're not going to be able to see that. So it's very subtle. And also, yeah, I think I will be doing a review later on this bag. Probably the pros and cons, but I could not wait to try it on, to wear, see in the long run if I would be using this a lot. We'll see the wear and tear and how this particular leather is holding up, and also around here at the bottom, the fold. So yeah, so anyway, this is the latest addition in my collection. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.